Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to the first point of view driving of the new Renault Rafale. Now, I filmed this car at the premiere in Paris, and we're driving it for the first time because this is a local press conference. Now, I will get the car later for a review, but I just wanted to, jump inside, make a first point of view driving. And this is, of course, the hybrid setup. So you can just see a little bit how it looks. Now, I'm not gonna sum up my impressions because you can see it's city center in Zagreb. There's so much traffic, so I won't get to experience the car fully. So I'll just, let you enjoy this short drive. So that's it. Now we have just slightly changed icons on the infotainment here. I know the last time I filmed one of the cars, the screen was flickering during the day, so if that's the case, it does not flicker in person. This is just on the camera, of course. Now you can see the reflection of the headlights in the e-Golf in front of us. So I like the new signature, and I like the new Rafale design wise. It looks very nice and sharp on the front and the back. I like the name Rafale because it's also the French fighter plane. Croatia actually finally decided to renew their Air Force. So this has nothing to do with cars, but just I'm saying this, they switched from MiG-21, which is a really old plane but the most mass-produced fighter plane, and they've switched to the French Rafale. Now we here have recuperation paddles on the hybrid, so I can increase the recuperation, and then when I let go, I'm recuperating and adding more juice into the battery. Okay, pedestrians. Always have to watch for pedestrians, both sides, of course. I didn't wait for the other one because it was just a bit late, and I do need to return the car in a few minutes, so just a quick drive. I'm usually not in a rush, and I always wait for the pedestrians, of course. Not a huge issue. Now, question is this car a production car, or is this one of the early cars they're using for a demo? We do have a panel roof that's actually not a classical glass roof. It's a LCD screen. Basically it has a layer of crystals between the glass in the panel roof, and then I do have a green arrow, but went off. Now the panel roof here, as you can see it now, it's tinted, so let me show you this. Hope it works. Okay, there you go. You can see it becomes transparent. So now it's completely transparent, and not completely, but it's transparent, and if I turn it on, it goes back So the layer of crystals, when you change the power flow through them, so they just change the orientation. Now this is a technology used in your LCD screens, so to let more light in or out. This is just a little bit of technical details, but you know, just imagine that a crystal is in this position when there's no current, and then when you let the current go, it just polarizes to the other side and blocks the light that reflects, so it doesn't let in light inside. Now this is a cool feature, but it will be pricey if it gets damaged, so I would advise having, of course, as always, full insurance in that case. God forbid a hailstorm and, you know, big ice balls break that's going to be an expensive repair. Although in that case probably your whole car is going to be totaled anyway. But just, you know, just if you throw something on it heavy and damage it, if it cracks, just have that in mind. Yep. Just to show you here a little bit of, you can change the cockpit and so on. Have here the driving modes, individual. You can see the car as well, looks amazing. Driving assistance. So a little bit fast pacing, but we won't be going through everything in this video. Well, music demo. I can't play for too long, but the speakers are Harman Kardon. You can see on the top of the dash, so sounds nice. Can't play for too long. Now the dash is same as on the Austral and its bigger brother, or as the Megane E-Tech. So you have the Google powered infotainment as well. So the interior is definitely on a next level. It's very posh. This is the, of course, Esprit Alpine, and I like the blue color, so it's really nice a match with the Esprit Alpine. So you can see the interior a little bit. Now we already tested this hybrid system in the Austral. It is very nice, very good on fuel consumption, and I'm just noticing here there's only 2 battery levels. There's not, I think there was maybe 4 or 5, a little bit more than just 2, I think. So I haven't looked at the specs. I'm gonna hear in the press conference if they actually change something for the Rafale, for example, but I'm not sure if that's the case. Usually it's all the same technologies, just in a different models. But nevertheless, the hybrid is a nice setup for the city, because if you recuperate and your battery is full, you can always on this low speed drive a little bit electric as well. But the person before me was driving this, so maybe the battery was already low for him as well. I don't know, but in this case the battery is just slightly depleted. Now for some of you this will be very claustrophobic. I'm also like a little bit hesitating and going slow with a new car, but you can pass through, just, you know, just take it easy. And we're getting back to the hotel, so I will be returning the car. You just need to go this way. But, you know, first impressions are good. Same as with the new Austral I had on test. So I'll wrap it here. Thank you for watching, and do like this video, share it, and hope to see you in the next one. So do subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get notified when I upload a new review and one of you driving the standard route when we get the car for a longer test. Okay, I'm gonna enter here, and I can already tell you that the wow. That the turn maneuver is greater. Okay, I'm gonna park it here and then I'm gonna repark after the video ends. Thank you for watching.